You use ChatGPT every day. Writing, planning, thinking. Many people stop there. Work still feels slow. Tasks still pile up. Other AI tools exist for specific jobs. Those tools handle daily work with less stress. Today, you learn AI tools beyond ChatGPT for real-life tasks. Most people miss these tools, not future tools, tools people use today for content, data, money, and time. Stay with me. Section 1. Beyond the hype. ChatGPT stays popular because people hear one name again and again. Social media pushes one tool. Writing and chatting work well there. Daily work goes beyond writing. Video, schedules, numbers, and planning need focused systems. Specialized AI handles one task at a time. Video tools edit video. Data tools read numbers. Planning tools manage time. Small time savings stack up across the week. Think about editing videos, posting content, finding old notes. AI tools already handle those jobs. Section 2. Content creation. Video editing slows many creators. Cutting clips, adding captions, fixing sound. Tools like Descript and Pictory focus on speed. Upload video, the system removes silence, adds captions, and fixes errors. Many creators finish edits fast. Short videos grow channels. Opus Clip turns long videos into short clips. Highlights appear automatically. Content fits TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Design also takes time. Canva Magic Studio builds designs from simple ideas. Thumbnails, slides, social posts. Midjourney supports image creation for branding and visuals. These tools help creators, business owners, and students. Section 3. Data and organization. Many people avoid spreadsheets. Numbers feel complex. Google Sheets AI and Rose AI simplify data work. Simple questions lead to clean data, charts, and insights. Coding skills stay unnecessary. Notes matter for memory. Notion AI and Mem.ai organize ideas. Write once. The system links ideas and brings details back later. Searching feels easy. Money tools also use AI. Budget apps track spending and spot trends. Small business tools connect sales data with customer behavior. Better decisions follow. Section 4. Productivity and daily life. Meetings waste time. Calendly AI handles scheduling. Otter.ai records meetings and creates summaries. Focus stays on discussion. Learning skills takes effort. AI tutors support learning. Can We Go guides students step by step. Coursera AI suggests courses based on goals. Learning stays focused. Home routines improve with smart hubs. Devices connect through routines. Lights, power, and security respond to schedules and voice control. Daily life feels smoother. Section 5. Next step. AI tools bring value now. Each tool solves one clear problem. Time savings appear fast. Pick one task this week. Video editing, notes, scheduling. Use one tool for 7 days. Track time saved. Results speak clearly. New tools appear often. Growth comes from testing focused tools, not chasing one trend. ChatGPT works for conversation and writing. Daily life needs more tools. Specialized AI handles real work. Start small, stay curious, build a smarter routine with the right tools. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for listening.